share this live. Me have one stalker, somebody will not leave me alone. I got the police station, they are not helping me.
We went to the Mandeville police station. I am her mom.
And they're not helping me.
We just came from Mandeville police station, right?
Just come from Mandeville police station.
And when we went to Mandeville police station, right, the police are letting us know that it's basically nothing, right? And they're saying somebody in Barbados cannot do my daughter anything in Jamaica.
This is serious, guys.
This is very serious.
The person has threatened my life.
Somebody called and said to my daughter that, listen, this person is looking for a hitman in Jamaica to take you out. You understand? And we're trying to let the police in Mandeville police station know what's going on, and they are saying that it's nothing. Somebody in Barbados cannot do you nothing. And I'm saying to the Minister of Security and whoever is hearing us, this is the first incident I ever had with police run-ins. Me never understand when people are talking about police what they mean. You understand? And this is why people have to take matter into them own and move the something. Let me tell them. You see, if anything happened to my daughter, people on the live want to share this as much as I can share it. You see, if anything happened to my daughter, I'm gonna become Jamaica's first fucking serial killer. You hear me tell you? Me, I'm gonna become Jamaica's first woman serial killer. If anything happened to my daughter, because nobody seems to be listening and nobody seems to be understanding what we're talking about. If you're there with one man, right, and the man give you money, right, and the man want control everything. Julia, put back somewhere me can hear, because people can see what me talk about. And the man give you money, and the man fire whatever. Me realize that the guy is controlling and he's psychotic. If you understand what I am saying.
Hold on, let me talk. This person has threatened my life. This is not if you take joke. This is not if nobody laugh over. This is not no joke time. Because every time something, hold on, mommy. Every time something serious happen, on the internet people, on take it for joke, on share it, on do all kind of foolishness. This is important. I have a stalker. I have messages. I have voice notes. I have everything. I have all our proof. I have all different kind of him read. The guy share nude pictures of me. Him do all kind of things. All kind of things.
You have people in Barbados to prove send people are supposed to hurt you.
Him send all people. When I was in Barbados, this guy sent people to my home. And also himself show up at my home.
And the guy will come, a guy saying cannot do
I did report it to the police. The police done business. Me report it. Oh no, so the police not business. I reported it to the police and them.
We just come from the police station, you know. We just come from the police station. They make we know say. They make we know say. Well, let me talk to them. They make we know say. Right? I know nothing that. But me I tell them no. Listen what me I tell them say. If anybody earn my picnic, me I become Jamaica first woman serial killer. Wanna listen what me a fucking telling us say. Alright.
People, we need your help to share this live. I'm going to post it on my phone. I'm also going to do a full video. I'm going to post a picture of who the person is. I'm going to talk in details everything what happened. I have proof. I have messages. I have voice messages. I have every single thing. Me got the police station a while ago, the Mandeville police station a while ago, and they don't care. Them no want to do nothing about it. They don't care. I called the Bajan police station because me know which part him live. So I called the police station and they told me that I can take out a restraining order against him when I am in the country. Now, you see why we have so much crime in our country and why so much things are here going.
Why we have so much crime here.
Imagine that I am in need of a police assistant. Me bring proof to you. And I let me come to you and I talk about things. I brought you proof. And you have to look for me and tell me, say, there is nothing you can do because it is not a big deal and you know, important. That the police are telling me, you know, after me bring this policeman, even while I was at the police station. This person I call up my phone and I show the police them I call me from an unknown number. And the policeman are gonna make me know say it is not a big deal. Some if you stay at me yard, I'm afraid. I'm not for go nowhere, I'm not for talk to nobody, I'm for just paranoid. I'm for just paranoid every day of my life, and that's it.
So you see why certain things are happening in our country, and then I go jump now and when you hear anything, when you hear next person side of story and you hear police them side of story. I first me ever from me have sense realize that when people are talk say she is my daughter. First from me hear people are talk about police me ever experience it with them. Even though when police was at me here, even though me didn't know so them and nobody can half of them are duns and they have bad men and for them come obviously they hurt by woman before. You understand how they have some issues with female and you can jump on it like a bitch and eat and talk foolishness. I am saying somebody needs to take up this in honors and become Jamaica's first woman serial killer.
Me talk to them about it, me go over there. I know whoever it is, damn me or whatever. Me understand all of the restrictions and everything. I totally understand. That is why I called both of them. I call the Bajan police and I call the Jamaican police. You know why? Because me no want nobody to come do me nothing and then uno see a man go talk so me never talk. This person has been stalking me from me don't even know what to say. Me don't even know what to say. I am so disgusted by this whole system. Me disgusted, I'm sick to my stomach. And the policeman that today will deal with me the way he deal with me. I hope you don't have a daughter. I hope you don't have a child. I hope you don't have no picnic. I hope you don't have no picnic. I hope you don't have no picnic. I'm disgusted and I'm ashamed.
Ugly weird looking policeman from Mandeville police station where say I'm a super or whatever. The big ugly weird looking
CIB and him claims I'm a super
ugly policeman when we go upstairs and talk to the big ugly man, the weird looking man, the way face coffee and have a batty wall. Him me I talk to you, Mr. Shithouse. Remember, so me tell you, say if the boy that me pick anything in now go work like all it a go.
It not go work. Me go to this man, me have proof. Me sit down. People not like me go to the man and just talk a bag of things. And that's the part where burn me. Me not go to him and me not just go to him and talk a bag of things. Me go and me talk to the man calm. Me have no ends of proof in my phone. Me have evidence the boy leak. Me leak. The guy leak naked pictures and all kind of things. And me explain to the officer. See the big stinking man here. But that's nothing. That's not nothing.
She should record the conversation.
It is my fault.
She should record the conversation with you and the police.
I should have recorded the conversation.
She should record the conversation with you and the big dirty stinking man.
The man, for all that girl them out there, people are waste where stalk you know. Don't bother go police station because the police them say if people are stalk you is nothing and nothing that. So if somebody is stalking, nobody waste the time go to station because the police them said it is nothing if somebody is stalking. I'm going to post it up, I'm going to do a video, I'm going to post the guy picture, I'm going to expose him. When I tell you some have proof, I mean some in at the police station and the guy call me from unknown number. All me I say, officer look, see the guy call me. The man wouldn't even take the phone, no. I have proof, me just come from over the station. Look on the timestamp on my phone, see it there? Look on it is 2:46 and I just come from over the station. Look at my phone, 2:10. I was standing in front of the police officer and I show him, said the man call my phone. The policeman wouldn't even say, let me take the phone and answer the phone. The police officer in Mandeville police station told me that if somebody is stalking you, it is nothing. I am disgusted by Uno.
No, he said that is not stalking. That is not stalking.
The man said
if it's not physical, it's not stalking.
This person,
if it's not physical, it's not stalking. That's what the piece of shit said.
This person has attempted to pay someone to harm me, and the person showed up at my house and told me that they could not go through with it. This person has also contacted my travel agent trying to get information on me.
Where are you
now, where part me live and everything. Me go to the police them over Mandeville police station. Me disgusted out no. Uno sick me stomach. I know me see why people hate to know and people don't like you know. Uno sick me stomach and a big stinking policeman there today. I hope you don't have no picnic and I hope me see up on the news. Me don't like you. Sick me stomach. And this one always I do. When people come to you and I tell you no things, you sit down pan a high horse or whatever kind of cock you sit down pan. You do no big belly.
No, I ask him it's a big stinking batty wall.
You sit down pan a high horse and look pan people and talk all kind of foolishness. The man gonna make me know so when somebody is stalking you, it is nothing. So if you sit down and make somebody come hurt me and them the same drunkard over station or go up and news but tell lie, so me never talk about it and say me never come over there because I say it's drunk then lie and stay, you know. When nothing happen, the drunk or them over police over a station tell lies and nobody never tell them nothing. No sick my stomach. Oh no sick my stomach. And that's how we have so much crime in the country. Because if you know that doing the job, me wouldn't have to depend on my phone and make live right now.
To them prove it, that's why I have some people always tell me, you know, people were in a problem always.
The police them don't do nothing.
Never feel it till today. To them feel the anxiety dirty police them. To them feel the anxiety dirty hungry police them over Mandeville police station. The dirty nasty hungry police them over Mandeville police station. To them feel the anxiety them.
You full of shit like crab. You sick my stomach. I go in front of this big stinking man and I don't care who wants me I disrespect you. I don't have no respect for you. Because me as a young girl, I come in front of you. And you can't tell me say you don't have picnic. Me as a young girl, I come in front of you, I have proof. I just sit down in front of you and make up a bag of things and I talk. I come in front of you and even while I sit down in front of you, this man I call on my phone. I come in front of you and I tell them the situation and I go look for me and tell me say that is nothing. So if you sit down and make somebody come kill me and when things happen now, you see me go tell a bag of lie and say
we never report it.
We never report it. The people them don't even take a statement from me. Nothing. Them don't take a statement. Believe me, say them don't take a statement. The people them don't take a statement. Them not ask me where my name. They not ask me where me come from. They not ask me nothing. All the man make me do is sit down and tell him my story and I show him my phone and them and there. When me done talk, when me done waste my breath, this stinking dirty man look at me and I go tell me say that is nothing. When somebody is stalking you, that is nothing. This man has stalked me. The man text down my family them. Him say nude picture of me. Him attempt to hire people to hurt me. Me have all of the proof in my phone. The man go as far as to even call me travel agent. Because me travel, him go as far as to even call me travel agent to get information for me. Wanna tell me why them police here so big and dirty? Why them so corrupt? And people say them don't like who don't know. And people say them hate who don't know. Wanna jump up and talk about people hate to fight. Wanna not doing no job. Wanna full of shit. I mean I like none of uno. Me say none of fire. I wouldn't spit for uno. Me not like none of uno. Me don't like none of uno. Me not like none of uno. People may ask uno. Share the live here. Share the live here and I'm going to save it. And at the Mandeville police station, the matter. The Mandeville police, the matter. I don't like that big stinking man that I talk to. And you can say, come in, you probably going to see the live here. You can probably say that I am disrespecting you, but you have not earned my respect. You not earned my respect. You not earned my respect as a big man. You not earned my respect as a police. You are full of shit. Me a young girl, I'm come to you, come tell us me in a danger. Me show you proof. Me sit down and me tell you what I want and you look me in my face and tell me say that is nothing. You sick my stomach. You sick my stomach.